What's up guys, it's Liam here from TechFed, and today I have something a little bit different for you. It's a flight test of the Parrot Minidrone, and this is the SWAT series that I have here. Just did a little side somersault for you. Now this drone is incredibly easy to fly. It's not too fast, it's not too slow, so you do have a lot of fun flying it around. It does somersaults, it does all these tricks. The only problem I did have, every now and again the drone would cut out and would land on the floor. It automatically hovers for you, does somersaults with the easy press of a button. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, leave a like rating and comment down below what you'd like to see next. I'd also like to apologise for my terrible flight skills. As you can see, a lot of it I do fly out of the camera, but trying to concentrate on filming and flying the drone was incredibly hard. But yeah, put a thumbs up for the terrible flying, and I will see you guys soon.
Run this.
I'd also like to thank my good friend Kimos for allowing me to use his music in my videos. If you do like the music, I'll put a link down in the description below with his SoundCloud page. So if you do like it, go and show him some love and tell him that Liam sent you. I'm Liam from TechFed, and that was the flight test of the Parrot Minidrone.